Welcome to this easy buying guide, where we simplify the online ordering process for you. Easy online ordering and convenience is a hallmark at Promo Direct. Let's get started. First, visit the home page and browse through the product categories in the top menu or click on the All Categories tab. Or you can use our robust search bar. Once you've found your desired item, simply click on that item to be taken to the product page where you will see everything pertaining to that product. To start your order, input your quantity, item color, imprint color or method, imprint location, and any other mandatory fields. Now you can add it to your cart to continue shopping or select Buy Now to complete your order. Once in the shopping cart, you will have the choice to upload your artwork or send it to us separately via email. Once you complete your online order, one of our advisors will contact you to finalize your order details and email you a free proof of your artwork for your approval, ensuring your order gets done right. Once you approve the final order and your artwork, we will immediately put your order into production and you will receive an email confirmation, as well as an email confirmation once your order ships with UPS tracking number. Online ordering is that easy. Get started at promodirect.com today.